The date is July 30, 1985, and we are at the former Baltimore and Ohio yards at East St. Louis, Illinois. CSX Corporation owns the property. CSX was formed in 1980 when Chessie System merged with the Seaboard System. CSX wouldn't have its own identity as a railroad for another year, but the beginning of the consolidation of the two systems is evident as power from both stands by. At its creation, CSX had two parallel lines into East St. Louis. The southern of the two was the former Louisville and Nashville line from Louisville and Evansville, Indiana. The other was the former B&O from Cincinnati and Vincennes, Indiana. For the first several years of CSX's existence, the two lines would be operated as they had before the merger. As time went on, however, through traffic would be shifted from the L&N line to the B&O, and the western portion of the L&N would be abandoned from East St. Louis to Okawville, Illinois. A mix of Chessie System and Seaboard System power prepares to head east. Trains could reach either line from this yard, and we suspect this one is headed to the former L&N. These scenes would be impossible to duplicate today. Not only are the paint schemes of the railroads gone, but so are most of these locomotives. The yard itself is gone as well, its location marked today by the crumbling shell of the old B&O roundhouse.